Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about an Excel trick that will be super useful for every single day. Have you ever felt like you need manually convert text to uppercase, lowercase or proper case? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly format your text in Excel using formulas, all without typing manually. So let's dive in. As you can see, I have a list of disposable items here, and right now it's all in unformatted case. Now let's see how we can easily convert this list into uppercase, lowercase or proper case. First, if you want to convert your text to uppercase, all you need to do is use this simple formula. Click on the cell where you want to the uppercase text and write the formula is equal to upper, then select your text. Once you hit enter, your text will instantly turn into uppercase. And if you want to convert the whole list to the uppercase, just drag the corner of the cell and pull it down, and the entire list will be converted in one go. Now let's say you already have uppercase text and you want to convert into lowercase. For this, you will need to use another formula where you want to the lowercase. Enter the formula is equal to lower, select your text. Once you press enter, your text will be converted to lowercase. And again, to apply it to the entire list, just drag the corner of the cell and pull it down. Finally, if you want to the first letter of each word to be capitalized, like in the name or titles, you will need to convert it to proper case. For that, just use the formula is equal to proper, in brackets select your text. As soon as you hit enter, your text will be converted to proper case. And once more, drag and drop if you want to apply it to the entire list. Now if you copy the converted text and paste it into your main contact, you might run into an issue. The solution is simple. When you paste the text, use the paste value option. This ensures for formatting stay intact. So friends, see how easily we can convert our text to uppercase, lowercase or proper case without any manual effort, just by using formulas. You can get your work done super fast and accurately. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button now. Also, if you want to more Excel tips, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.